Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andre Alvaro, and Happy New Year to everyone, all the fans of the San Miguel Beerman. My New Year's resolution is to win a Grand Slam champion because I have waited for so many years in 2 or 3 decades. So we want to win a Grand Slam again. Just like the owner, Mr. Ramon Ang said, we want San Miguel to win the Grand Slam once again. Kaya pagbubutiin nila ang magandang laro para magkampiyon ulit itong season na ito. So, yun ang New Year's resolution ko sa 2016. I'm Andre Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.